What we do is stretch and walk. This is walking while stretching. You are on toes, heels are lifted up. 2-3 times on your place wherever you are standing. Keep moving and relax. Now next is stand distance apart, pull up and bend to your right, come back in the center. While you exhale, bend other side, center. You can repeat it to your right, center, left, center and relax. Now side bending has been done. The twisting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब जल्दी जल्दी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now what we'll do is make a fist and rotate the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So once like this, once like this. Relax, relax. आज के लिए इतना ही. Basic movements and then one asan we'll do today is Ardha Chandrasan, half moon pose. So hands on your waist, पीछे उंगलियां चारों तरफ फैला लें. Full support to your back and then push back your elbows while you inhale. While inhaling, move back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now this will be compensated by forward bend. So interlace your fingers like this on your back and then move forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. सांस भरते हुए वापस. Exhale and bend. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come back. So what we have done is stretching, stretch and bend both sides, then twist both sides and then rotation both sides. Then we have done half moon pose, backward bend and then forward bend. So these are the basic movements we have done today. We will continue tomorrow with combination of basic movements, that is twisting and bending, and some more movements. This is what all for the day. This is G.S. Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.